Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the latest and smartest automotive diagnostic tools of 2025, the XTOOL IP616 version 2.0 OBD2 scanner. Whether you're a DIYer, a professional mechanic, or just curious about what's going on under the hood, this scanner is packed with features you'll want to see. Now let's talk about features. 2025 XTOOL IP616 V2.0. Smarter, faster, more powerful. Tired of slow, outdated scanners? Meet the XTOOL IP616, your must-have OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool designed for DIYers, home mechanics, and professional technicians. With version 2.0 updates, it delivers ultra-smooth performance. Supports 31+ resets, full system diagnostics, hidden feature activation, auto VIN, and can fast scan, can FD, and do IP protocol. The XTOOL IP616 car scanner diagnostics tool supports 31+ essential reset functions, including oil reset, throttle adaptation, ABS bleeding, injector coating, SAS, TPMS reset, tire size reset, AC relearn, crank sensor relearn, and more. Complete common car maintenance in minutes. No need to visit the dealership. See beyond the check engine light. Forget basic scanners. The XTOOL IP616 car diagnostic scanner offers dealer-level full system diagnostics for engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, HVAC, battery, and more. Whether you're a DIYer maintaining your ride or a pro diagnosing customer vehicles, quickly read, clear, and analyze DDCs, view real-time data streams, and generate detailed reports to pinpoint issues faster and more accurately. With the XTOOL IP616 OBD2 diagnostic scanner, you can flash hidden functions like auto-folding mirrors, comfort lighting, and seat memory on vehicles like for Toyota, for VW, for Audi, for BMW, for Mercedes-Benz, for Lexus, and more, or deactivate the software-driven features. The XTOOL IP616 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool now supports FCA AutoAuth for 2018 plus Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Fiat models. Plus, it's equipped with CAN FD and do IP protocol, ensuring faster data transmission and broader coverage for the latest vehicles without extra adapter or cable needed. Supports 10,000+ models with 24+ languages, 2025 upgrade, making it the go-to scanner for DIYers and professionals alike. The IP616 diagnostic scanner includes lifetime software updates, no hidden fees. Stay ahead with new vehicle coverage, updated reset functions, and improved diagnostics at no extra cost. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, 28+ service functions, bidirectional control, easy-to-use interface, free lifetime updates. And cons: no J2534 or programming for complex modules, not ideal for heavy-duty trucks. Battery life could be better under heavy use. If you're a home mechanic, small shop owner, or car enthusiast who wants professional-level diagnostics without breaking the bank, the XTOOL IP616 version 2.0 is a solid investment. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comments, and let me know what scanner you want to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.